Welcome back, guys, Crypto4Life channel. I think it's time to talk only about BTC in this video. Let's dive in. Guys, I prepare a lot of charts today, and I want to share with you the data with my custom indicator sets on the weekly and the monthly time frame for BTC, and we're trying to identify, is it the top for BTC or not? Spoiler, I guess not. I think just one more impulse up we can see in the next few months, and another spoiler, I don't think so. BTC will go to 250 to 700k this run, or to 1 million, and all of that random numbers. All my targets for BTC I share with you in Zone 22 to Zone 23. So absolutely nothing changed, right? And I'm just wait the last impulse, to that targets, and only the time will show us and show me if I am right or if I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'm more than okay, because I totally don't care, because I'm not chased to be always right. Because the main goal for me at the end is fix the profit in USD. That's the point. I'm not a BTC maxi or some of that crazy orange addicted guys. So the interesting chart. It can be the maybe a long and boring video, guys, but it's just my reflection about the price target. So also you have to know, I'm not of that type of guys who always drove some charts and after that redraw another one, redraw another trend lines, because I pretend to be always right. Guys, all targets showed you before, and a lot of things about even the geopolitical stuff and the triggers for end of cycle, I shared with you before. In Zone 23, I mark what will be the last area by my take, for the cycle. And I think we're so close to that moment, right? I don't think so about the BTC reserve. I don't think so about the Trump will change something. So we are just in a cycle. So with a Trump or without a Trump, guys, it's just events, just a media post which deliver the price faster or slower. But anyway, the price can be delivered in the right time to the right target, with us or without us, so it's just an algorithm which controlled by elites, I guess. It can be some like conspiracy, but anyway, just my take. So let's start with this post about BTC and NVIDIA. So this one, so it's a Bitstamp weekly time frame, 27 zone, everything you knew before. And it's not a first post, of course, it's just a updated post. So here, I mark the zones. So this was a correction. My take is, so we already passed 1.61 level by FIP. My take is end of cycle 139k, 139,454. Or if we repeat the crazy super cycle like everybody talk, we can hit 209, 908. This one, I compared the NVIDIA weekly time frame and BTC. NVIDIA pump it first. So all targets showed you before, and many posts you can find. Just use the search section. So where are we now? Let's take a look there. Here, BTC. It's absolutely the same FIP. I just adjusted with a magnet till penny, on the weekly time frame. So here, test 52, 61 level FIP, 52, 345. Now we trade around here. Can be this is a top? Yes, guys. Of course, it's possible. Of course, it's possible. Everything possible in crypto. So never say never. Maybe we'll see something like this one. And going down to the next bear market. Stop at 25 or 17 again inside 27 block. So this block, it was accumulation zone to buy BTC. The main problem with BTC, everything okay. The main problem with the altcoins. You saw the post visualization about meme tokens. So in Zone 21, we got like 3 million tokens with the memes, and now we get 35 millions. That's the point, guys. So everybody who's screaming, we go into the moon because now we got more users with a pump fund, with all of that stuff. No, guys, that guys who joined into the market with a penny, like $50, $500, and $100, it's not that liquidity which can drive the market. like it was in 2020 after the COVID dump. They print the trillions. Now that users who joined the market, they not push the price for BTC especially. So the money inflow, so they launched the token. The money inflow into that token, the big guys scammed that users, that money inflow into another token. Another token pump it, they cash out and pump the money into another token, right? So it just hands changed with the liquidity, not new money. There can be the more users, but at the end, you know, the more tokens and the money flow between the hands, right? So we need some stimulus for BTC. We need some liquidity to put the price higher, big liquidity. So meme sector is good. I explained it why, because the meme sector for me it's more fair than all of that utility tokens. But we need some trigger. Can be that BTC reserve launch like top of the top? Maybe yes. When everybody starts screaming, oh, the countries now start to adopt the BTC and all of that stuff, like institutional again made a mistake and buy high. Guys, institutionals accumulate BTC here. They own a lot of BTC. That's why they control this asset. Now the BTC lost main purpose against the system. BTC is now the new system in hands of elites to control the main asset of this new financial system. Got it. What we can do? Nothing. We can do just what we can do with our deposit. This is what we can work with. So to buy BTC now or not, I don't think so. It's a good idea to buy at 101K for BTC. Why people not ask that type of question at here, at 20K, at 15K? What's the point to buy now? For what? So ask yourself. For, let's say, 34%, I don't think so. It is a good idea. 400%, maybe. If you believe in 210, maybe it's a good time to buy. So I will show you on the metrics. You know, so my take is absolutely the same. This target and this target. So you can take a pause and watch at that levels. Got it. For BTC, I will show you with indicator set why exactly we can stop it there. Also, take a look at the root. Root, it's a Russell 2K. This is a post what's in October 2023. All targets showed you, so it was a signal to buy on a weekly time frame. The buy line, and here's the take profit line, and we should go in higher. Everything going by plan. So this is a root. This is also one of instrument which can show you the direction, potential direction of BTC. So this is a COVID dump on the weekly time frame. This is a test, rejection, going down in the wedge, and now all lines are dynamic, you know, and here was signal to buy. Then it was posted in October. So here we sweep the liquidity and going higher. The take profit line now for root, it's 2,700. Exit line, it's 3K. So like you can see on the history, we never go over that or even touch the exit line. Here was close. So most likely where we will find the rejection, it can be this line, 2K900, or around here, 2K700. Till that time, the BTC also will pump. The bad moment, it's for alts. With this pump on the root, on S&P 500, what we will talk now. Again, it can be the BTC dominance can go higher again, and the alts can bloody more. For S&P 500, SPX, I guess, we need to find that pose for all-time high for S&P 500. S&P, I guess the last one was here. Here it looks scary. This is a post what I posted updated in August 2024. This one, but I posted here in I guess by end of 2023. So let's check where exactly I posted this one. August 2023, I posted this direction. So it's kind of looks scary for me personally, you know, because we're not so far from the top. So this was the direction. Here's how it playing out. Of course, I can't know the timing, guys. Of course, I can't. So ask yourself, is it okay to buy now BTC or not? We trade on the monthly time frame way over exit line. So for me personally, it's not a good idea to hop in now in a BTC because S&P 500 pumped it first. After first pump at the gold, after that the S&P 500 and BTC also will follow. But BTC lagging like some maybe 1 or 2 months. So you remember when the S&P 500 hit the new all-time high here, where it was here. It was February 2024. BTC S&P 500 hit new all-time high. BTC in February 2024. Where? Here, we trade only here. We trade only at 52K. So we get like a lagging by time and 10K lag for BTC. So that's the case, guys. But take a look. This is not a right time to hop into S&P 500. So can we go higher? Of course we can. Easily. Weekly time frame. Why we can? All lines are dynamic, guys. So here till that time, a weekly time frame, it was it's a weekly time frame. Take profit line was 5K 500, exit line 6K 200. Lines are dynamic. Now the weekly time frame take profit is 6K 797 and exit line is 7K 660. So lines are dynamic, guys. So we trade around here. Yes, I think we can see one more impulse on S&P 500 to the top, this one, and reject and go into the new bear market. So the bottom for S&P 500 can be next time at 3K 400 now, and so till that time, I don't know. It's hard to say about timing. You know, it can be like zone 27, zone 28. It can be like this one. Of course, not like this direction with correction, with the pump, dumps, but you understand the logic. So root, we can close. This one we can close. BTC, I will show you. S&P 500, we can close. This is gold. For gold, also, I posted the gold and BTC, and this one. Accumulation and reaccumulation. So this idea I posted in October. So everything going by plan, everything okay. So I don't think so that we hit the top of the top for gold, but we're not so far from that top. On the monthly time frame, guys, of course, it's not a crazy time to hop into gold, right? So this is the top. This is accumulation pump, reaccumulation pump again, and last impulse can be over than 3K, for example, for gold, but we can't know where the gold will stop. And the BTC always lagging and the follow the gold. So the take profit line for gold now it's 3K, and the 3K 383 now it's exit line for gold. Let's take a look also with I'm interested in money power and market mode. So this is a crazy A3. So time to buy the gold was here in October 2022, this one on depression zone, on reaccumulation rate. So of course here also was a good time to buy now. All the same period since January 2023, the big players distribute the gold. So fix the profit and buy them back. Fix the profit, buy them back. So now it's a money outflow was the last one in April 2024. Now we are not at the top, but soon we will see again money outflow. And soon we will see, I guess, again, the test of the take profit line for gold. And this is a crazy A3 on the weekly time frame, monthly time frame, the same story. So yes, I think we can see one more impulse up. But guys, even if we will see this one, it's like can be the last impulse. Also, I recommend you go and find the idea what I shared in Trading You, where I compare the BTC gold top and BTC top. It's also lagging by time. Let's take a look with DXY. DXY index, I shared with you the DXY, this one. So the main post was here, May 23, and I posted even the before. I track it since zone 22, so 27 zone and 61 zone, it's like a target. So this one and 61. So I can't know the timing. Till that time we traded here, I'm waiting the drop earlier in zone 24 to that zones, but we bounce. We bounce and we hold the line at 0 level, this one, and we bounce it. Here everybody's screaming we're going to the moon by BTC. Then we landed again, and here 100K, 109. So we reached that target, what market here. So this is absolutely the same feed, the same stuff, guys. Absolutely everything's the same. So if you determine the zone is correct, you can track all of that zones in the next few years. I already explained it. So around here, it can be the top for BTC. So when we see the bottom for DXY, it's a top for BTC. And vice versa. So take a look. This is what's the date? September 22. It was a top for DXY, and it's around these levels. We got the here FTX. Here was the bottom for BTC, but top for DXY. So vice versa, we will see the top here for BTC and the bottom for DXY here or here. So also you can track it. So it's useful instrument. Now BTC dominance. It's kind of weird for everybody who, like me too, also me include, invested in altcoins. Crazy scenario for us. It can be if the BTC dominance going over than 71% for BTC dominance on a month time frame to take profit line. I can't even imagine the smell of crazy dump on BTC on altcoins if the money now start inflow into BTC again and all alts go into hell. And BTC dominance going to 70%. I don't think so. It will happen, right? So this time it won't happen. So no, I don't think so. I think we're not so far from the top or already hit the top for BTC. So that's point, and the altcoin season is here. So guys, all targets, you know, we track the BTC dominance, I guess, since beginning of 2023. So all targets for altcoin season. Zone where you need to out 100% from alts, you knew it before. So just wait. So you can add just here alert, for example, and just wait that targets. So here, this one. So sooner or later, anyway, I guess, the money start outflow from BTC in some alts. Not in all of them, because the 35 million, it's too much. But you can track this chart and fix a profit around here from all alts, step by step. Got it. Also, I will show you in the next video, today I will post the video about Ethereum, some ideas about Ethereum. I think Ethereum now underrated. You can see how Trump and family accumulate Ethereum. So I think we'll see another impulse for Vitalik coin, but I don't believe in a 10K for Ethereum this cycle. So this is also my take. Let's take a look, guys. This is on a Bitstamp, but let's take a look. This is a whole history on BTC. There's no FIB on nothing, right? So it can be the 3 drives pattern. Yes, I believe we will see something like 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, and 3. The last impulse, what I'm waiting. I can't know the timing. Of course, guys, I can be wrong, absolutely wrong. I can be absolutely wrong. So here, let's say it can be the October, November 25, maybe. The end of cycle can be in November. So we can, it's a weekly time frame. It's a monthly. So we can see something like this move. I don't know, by May, then correction, a last pump, I don't know, January or November, 139, for example, with a weak candle and going down into bear market. So that's a point. And everybody once again will start going, no, we can't drop under than previous high. So this was a crazy myth. I don't know how the people believe in that stuff. So we can't, by some reason, we can't drop lower than the previous all-time high. The same story here, the people will start screaming, we can't drop on the 68K. If we go higher to 200K, yes, it's possible. It can be the parabolic move. But guys, be real with the timing and be real with the targets. Everything should be in time. Time to buy BTC was here. Now it's a good time to buy BTC? I don't think so. Take a look with ADZ direction. ADZ I can show you because it's a ticker. Let me show you ADZ here. ADZ. So here, this is accumulation. This was accumulation. So 2 times in history, we got a crazy accumulation. So this was an even bigger one than it was in March of 14. All of that charts I already showed you, so I just post some reflection and think about what's going on now with the BTC. It's just like updates more for myself. So this is a accumulation in June 2022. So this was a real bottom. And that time it was almost all-time low by fear and greed index for BTC. Can this target be the top? Maybe yes, we can know. We formed a huge divergence, like you can see, since June 12. This one. Crazy divergence on a weekly. Crazy divergence also on ADZ here, on this one, on the monthly. But of course, guys, once again, so imagine here, people, when we touch this top, people draw that trend line and the variance. Let me hide this one. People draw that trend line like this one. So does it mean we breaking out some trend line or what? It means nothing. We just still in the variance. That's why, yes, we can pump again, hit the top and form the bigger variance on a monthly. If we zoom out and use the ADZ on half year, for example, time frame, it can be just the beginning. So it's always about the timing proposed. But this is definitely, guys, this is definitely not accumulation zone. So this is the main take. Take a look the history of BTC with the direction. So this was a time to buy. March 19, April 19, time to buy at 4K. 3K672, 4K pump. Now it's here. Signals to fixed profit, drop. Signals to fixed profit, drop. Signals to fixed profit. So it's kind of scary, guys. Let's be real. It's kind of scary. Weekly time frame, the same story. So this is accumulation here. December 18, March 19, accumulation pump. This is fixation, fixation, drop, accumulation, fixation, drop, fixation. I can't say this was a drop, but this is also not the right time to buy. So guys, we are not so far from, or already past the top. We're not so far from the top. What can I say about this chart? On weekly time frame, this was a disbelief capitulation. Now it's totally free. Now it's the biggest area ever on a BTC, on whole history. Time to buy. You could track, you can use the market mood indicator to accumulate BTC. If you're a BTC maxi, you more than enough this indicator and I guess trade on to buy BTC. So here, imagine only 2 times in, no, not 2 times here also. When you see the blue color on BTC, you can accumulate BTC and you will be super rich. So this one, 1, 2, 3. 3 months, 3 candles, you could accumulate BTC. After that, just wait the top of the top. Usually it's April, May. Here, November 2022, December 2022, exact bottom for BTC. Pump. Now we can wait one more time, April, May. So this is the way, guys. That's why indicators, they don't have any emotion. They just show you the data. Money power, guys, also kind of scary for me. Why? Because all of that time period, it's a distribution. It's not accumulation. So it's kind of weird. So imagine somebody who got that asset, all of that time period, distribute their tokens. You never seen the money inflow on the monthly time frame. For me, it's kind of scary because looks like a BTC is a crazy bubble. We're now at the top, but still without money outflow. That's why let's add alert just for the test. Money outflow on money power indicator on the monthly. So when I will see the money outflow on the monthly time frame, I will make a post in trading Telegram channel. On the weekly time frame, we can use also like a investment. So here was a good time to buy, fix some profit. RSI bearish divergence before COVID dump, pump without money inflow. After that, money distribution and drop. Money inflow was again for BTC 2 times in the last 3 years. So take a look, May 2022, 28K 600, and September 2023, almost at the same level, 25, 300. Now they distributed here, and now we're at the top, but without any signal to sell or money outflow. It's good. Trade on. I want to show you also the interesting moments here. You can buy every single time when you see the recommendation to buy. June, sound 20. Sound well. Buy. October, sound 15. Buy, sell. Buy, May, sound 19. Pump. COVID dump, and nobody could predict. Sell, buy back. March, sound 23. And it was one signal to sell here. We dump it. Yes, we dump it from new all-time high to 49K. Now no signal to sell again. It can be the, let's add alert also. It can be the bad case scenario if we will see the signal to sell in February. Weekly time frame, guys. Here, you remember this was sell, buy back, pump, buy back, close all short position, buy. Take profit, sell. Now it's a distribution. And the last indicator, guys, so what I would like to show you is take profit. For me, it's also nothing positive here. Because exit line now is for 40K and 44K 139. This one. So anyway, sooner or later we're gonna test it again. Buy line on a monthly, guys, for BTC, it's 19K 500. Of course, all lines are dynamic. That's why in the next cycle, guys, I think I don't know, it can be this move, for example. We will test, I guess, the buy line. So let's add alert just for fun. For the buy line, take profit. Buy line on a monthly. The history for this indicator start at February 17 because of data, because of code inside, we need that data for analysis. So now I can't say this is a good time to buy, guys. Let's be real. Weekly time frame either. So here it was a test of fundamental value of the token. Here, this is fundamental value, COVID dump, bounce. Drop it here, FTX, crash, trade under fundamental value, good time to buy. All of that time period, June 2022, November 2022, you could buy the BTC, pump and going higher. Now we trade way over exit line. Exit line is 83K 200, take profit line above 74.62, and buy line 37.146, fundamental value for BTC now 27K. So I hope we will see one more impulse up, and after that we will drop again to the buy line. It's hard to say about timing, and maybe we'll see another impulse higher. So guys, conclusion of this video, I wait the BTC dominance drop, I wait some of altcoin season, I wait BTC higher to in next 4 months to 100. I don't know, 100, it's going to be just like a range, 100, let's say 15 and 100, 120 and 139. Around this area, I guess we can see the top for BTC. I can be wrong, and yes, we can go higher to 200K, to 300K and all of that stuff, guys, but I'm more conservative with my targets. So I'm track now more the macro in the world. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Too much information, no rush, just more like reflections. So I try to post some updates on Telegram faster or on Twitter, some charts, some maybe alerts. So follow both of this social. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.